In Percent POS, modifiers let you customize orders for your customers and keep everything accurate for your kitchen. They're a great way to charge for the little extras customers request. And those small charges? They really add up to big savings and higher profits over time. They're the small changes people request, like extra cheese, no onions, or well done. A modifier panel is simply a group of related modifiers. For example, a burger toppings panel could include lettuce, tomato, onion, and pickles, while a modifier is a single option inside that panel, like extra cheese. To start, open the item you want to add modifiers to. You can do this in several ways. From the System menu by selecting the Items tab. From the button editor in the Setup tab. Or directly from the main sales screen by right-clicking or hard-pressing the Items button, choosing Change Existing, and then clicking Main Item menu. Once the item is open, select the Modifiers tab on the left. To create a new modifier panel, click Add New Panel. In the Add Panel window, give the panel a clear name like Burger Toppings. If you want, set a prefix that appears before each selection, such as No for no onion. Set the minimum and maximum number of selections a customer can choose. Then configure the panel prices, add, no, extra, or sub, for all modifiers in this panel. You can allow a certain number of free selections by setting the first number free option. Choose a default type, and on overflow decide how the panel displays. Wrap to fit everything on one screen, or list if you want to allow scrolling. Next, add modifiers to your panel. Once inside the panel, click Add New Modifier. Enter a clear description like extra cheese, and optionally add a remote description for the kitchen, such as XCHS. When you assign an inventory number to a modifier, stock levels are automatically reduced each time that modifier is used. For pricing, either use the panel's default or use modifier price to set an individual price. You can enable prompt for description for special notes, like well done, and assign a remote printer so the request prints in the correct location, such as the kitchen or bar. If needed, you can even add sub-modifiers panels like type of cheese. When done, click Save. If you already have a modifier created, you can reuse it. Click Add Existing Modifier, choose it from the list, and set the price type. Use the panel price, the modifier price, or set a custom price for that panel. The same goes for panels. To add an existing panel to another item, click Add Existing Panel, select it from the drop-down and confirm. To make changes, select the modifier or panel, click Edit, adjust your settings, and save. Keep in mind that if the modifier or panel is shared across multiple items, your changes will apply everywhere it's used. To remove something, select it, click Remove, and confirm. A good practice is to keep your naming consistent and your pricing clear. This makes it easy to reuse panels across your menu without setting them up from scratch. By setting up modifier panels properly in Percent POS, you can make ordering faster, keep your kitchen organized, and ensure customers get exactly what they ask for. And remember, every small upcharge for an extra topping or special change might seem minor on its own, but over time, those small charges add up to big savings and more profit for your business.